Okay, we're going upstairs. Switches, turn lights on and off. There we go, that's a good thing. Moving on along. Balusters and guardrails and handrails. Capable of withstanding 200 pounds of lateral force. Guardrails high enough. The electric receptacle outlets all seem to be fine and dandy. Let's do the light switch here. There we go, on and off. Thermostat is in the upstairs common area. This is also, I believe, the coldest air register. The air return is here. No, it's not. The air return is here, but the filter is at the indoor air handler. This is the southeast door, and the bottom hinge plate is missing a screw. Coming on along, everything is nice and freshly painted. This tension ball latch doesn't work in this closet. This is how we do it. This is my method. Southeast bedroom closet tension ball. The left door. That would be the west. Coming on along. I mentioned this before about the windows fogging. And we've got definitely a lot of windows. By the way, most of the windows, I haven't really looked at the downstairs windows that close, but I'm getting indications that they're probably just about as bad as these. And I say bad is in the fact that there's numerous windows that are fogging. Numerous windows that are fogging. Now these window ledges, if a window is higher than 72 inches from the ground, it shouldn't be closer to the floor than 24 inches. And these are about 22 inches. And sometimes I apologize. I don't like to apologize for my work, but sometimes I say, when the code inspector was in here, maybe the flooring wasn't here. Maybe the flooring wasn't here, and so that was what was measured. And without consideration, maybe that's what happened. And but no, I'm getting more than that to my tape measure. It's in the wrong pocket. Not that organized. I'm getting 23, so it could be an inch. It could be an inch. I thought I was measuring more. But anyway. They're kind of rough. They're kind of hard to use. They have been used. You know, a lot of people with central air conditioning in Texas, we don't have that many changes of seasons. We've had a wonderful Indian summer this year. So I've hardly used any air conditioning at my home, but usually it's either on or off. It's usually winter or summer. So a lot of us, are at work every day, away from the house. We come home and we want air conditioning, and so our windows don't get used that often. We use them for light with the operation. This door, okay, so this is the southwest bedroom. Southwest bedroom door does not latch. Again, all these receptacles are operating. I've tested them. But one thing they don't have is arc fault. Arc fault wasn't required in the bedrooms when this home was built, and it doesn't have them. It's a safety device, and it'll make the report in the electrical section up by the load center, electric supply. And yes, they're good things to have. I'm not going to tell you not to seek perfection. I will never tell my client there. Yeah, I never tell my client that. It barely makes it. It makes it, but it barely makes. That's what it's called. It's electric switch or a door latch. It's you make the latch, you make the switch, you turn it on. For example, I'm going to make this switch, and it turns the light on. I'm going to break this switch, and it turns the light off. Same thing with a latch. Okay. This latch is made, and now I broke it. That one kind of binds. This one's kind of loose, but they both make and break. I'm going to break this circuit. Yay! These windows, these are the ones that I measured. We got some torn windows here. These are the ones that started that whole conversation at the beginning of this little video. Yeah, I guess I was just anxious. I'm anxious. I'm eager. I'm an eager guy. I want to do good. Sometimes I get carried away. So these windows are a little stiff. So you might want to, I mean, for a fire drill, emergency egress, your family, you might want to operate these windows and get them moving a little smoother, just for safety's sake. Coming along. This is called a sliding. That's a side sash. These are single sash windows. They only go up and down, just one window. So these are called sash. Some people call these side sliders or whatever. Oh, look what I just saw. Look at that. We're dripping. I don't know if you can see it. This will catch it up, but we're going to have a little attic bonus on this one. This bathtub has been resurfaced. So it looks nice, but you can see the way the stopper's been, and you know that's really kind of beyond what I do. But by the way, this bathtub has been resurfaced, so that means it's going to be nice and pretty for you for a while. You can resurface them once, maybe twice, so you should get some utility out of it. You get some use out of this bathtub. But it's, on the other hand, it's it's limited. It's not going to last 40 years. All the cabinet floors look like they've, like cabinet floors in bathrooms, and cabinet floors in. Coming along, this door. Are you going to make a liar out of me? Okay. You're going to make a liar out of me. Bedrooms, closets. This window, I'll get something out of it. This window is difficult to work. And once you do get it up, Grampy, come on. If Grampy can't do it, nobody, it's broke. The tension end is loose inside of here. The balance tension end. So it's hard to get up, but it won't stay up. Bonus video. That tension in it, little metal, and it won't. Look, I'm not lowering it. It's lowering it. It's lowering itself. That window's kind of sick. Needs some help. And we're through with the upstairs. But I saw something out there. Additional observations. This is how you get up into the attic, which is not a bad video to have. How you get up in the attic. This should be insulated. This is a heat sink. This is where all your money's going. You have all this wonderful, well, you have all this insulation anyway. You have all this insulation around, but there's none here. Coming up, this is the light switch for the attic. This is the light switch for the attic up here. Don't use those. These are your indoor air handlers. Hang on, I gotta get some light. Hang on, I'll be right here with you. And we talked about this already in the attic, or maybe are you going to in the air conditioning? But apparently this floor is all weak. Like that floor is over there is weak. But that's not what I'm hunting for. There you are. This is the downstairs unit. Look at all that water in the rusty pan. Look at that. It's happening. It didn't come outside of the pan like I predicted. I guess it's not coming out real fast, but look at that. Look at that. It's a problem with your air conditioner. It needs to be serviced. That old R22 air conditioner. Looks like it's been ongoing. We got a little bit of mold, right? I can't say mold. Okay, back to general. Do not trust this. See the way that's swaying? Somebody wanted it over there. I'm probably for good reason. Somebody wanted it over there. Do not trust that OSB board laid out. It's just, I mean, it won't hold you. You know what? You won't need these stairs to get back down. You'll take the quick way.